There is one beautiful contrast sa Bible po between the ministry of Moses and the ministry of Jesus Christ. When God used Moses in the book of Exodus, the water of the Nile was turned into blood. That miracle was a sign of judgment. It showed the seriousness of sin and the power of God over Egypt. The water that once gave life became a symbol of death. Imagine na yung tubig dati nagbibigay po ng buhay, mga kapatid, naging dugo na nagdala ng takot. That was the message of the law. Sin has consequences and judgment is real. But when Jesus Christ began His ministry in the Gospel of John chapter 2, the scene is very different, mga kapatid. Hindi po sa palasyo ng Pharaoh, kundi sa isang simpleng kasalan, mga kapatid. Hindi sa gitna ng judgment, kundi sa gitna ng celebration. At doon, Jesus turned water into wine. First miracle, hindi dugo, kundi alak. Hindi judgment, kundi joy. Hindi po takot, kundi blessing. This shows us a powerful truth of the Bible. John chapter 1 verse 17 says, "For the law was given by Moses, but grace and truth came by Jesus Christ." The law through Moses, it reveals our sin. Ipinapakita nito na tayo ay nagkulang sa harap ng Diyos. But Jesus came to bring grace, forgiveness, restoration, and new life. Think about it, mga kapatid. Moses' miracle brought fear to Egypt. But Jesus' miracle brought joy to a wedding. Moses' miracle showed the seriousness of sin. But Jesus Christ's miracle showed the sweetness of grace. The law exposes the problem, but Christ provides the solution. Grabe si Lord. And that is the beauty of the gospel. What the law could not give, joy, forgiveness, and new life, si Jesus po. Jesus came to provide. Kaya kung ang law ni Moses ay nagpakita ng judgment, si Jesus naman po ay nagdala ng joy, ng grace, at ng pag-asa para sa lahat ng mananampalataya. Mga kapatid, kung ang law ni Moses ay nagpakita kung gaano kalalim ang ating kasalanan, si Jesus naman ang nagpakita kung gaano kalawak ang biyaya ng Diyos. Grabe si Lord, no? God bless us and God loves you.